I really think it's time for a replacement. We chose the Toughbuilt C700 combination Sawhorse and Jobsite table to replace those old plastic Sawhorses I had. Here is my review of the C700's key features. The all-steel construction of the C700 makes it extremely stable. However, it is a little bit heavy-ish. Zinc plating and powder coating provide both durability and protection from the elements. It also gives the C700 a sleek look that's both popular with the wife and with the boys. The carrying handle is a very nicely designed feature. It makes it very easy to move the Sawhorse around, whether it's open or whether it's collapsed down. Adjustable legs allow it to be set to a comfortable working height. In combination with the pivoting feet, this allows the C700 to be level even on very uneven ground. There are two different types of support pegs. The first one allows you to put a large piece of material such as a sheet of plywood up for rip cutting. The second folds down and allows you to cut smaller items like 2x4s and pieces of piping. The support arms can fit up to a 4x4 piece of lumber. A metal bracket can be folded down to insert a sacrificial 2x4. This allows the Jobsite table configuration to also be used as a cutting surface. These supports are needed when using two C700s in combination to form a Jobsite table. The specifications claim that each individual unit can support up to 1,300 pounds, and as a pair set up in the workstation type configuration, it can support up to 2,600 pounds. I have no way to prove this, but I can tell you this. It will easily support the weight of a whale shark and his entire family. Thanks for watching our unboxing video. Getting that Jobsite table in place was kind of important to us because we are renovating this house. And right now, our workshop is not really in the kind of condition that we need it to be. So having a portable Jobsite table is going to allow us to do a lot of the work that we need to get done. If you like this and want to see more videos, please hit subscribe or put a comment in the box below.